severe thunderstorm warning has been
Let
issued.
me lower that. Alright, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. I think we should be live, chat. Let me know if we're successfully live. Anyway, how are you guys doing in today's live stream? Today's live stream will be going over the severe weather outbreak possible today. Honestly, it is looking pretty decent right now. There's a lot. There's already now. Hold on. Wait. All right. There's now one tornado warning in effect right now. Never mind two. They just tornado warned another storm just now. Oh, confirmed. Hold on.
Attention, a new
Oh, there
confirmed
it is.
tornado warning has been issued.
There it is. That was unexpected, guys. Actually, the tornado warning heading to Nebraska City has a little bit of rotation, but it weakened, honestly. It was much stronger earlier. Sorry, I don't read Spanish. But let's take a look at the confirmed tornado warning in Iowa. We do have a confirmed tornado right now in Iowa, which I can't really find the CC drop. But we do have a confirmed tornado in Iowa. So take shelter if you live in Gray and Deham. Take shelter if you live anywhere in those areas. As you can see, though, the rotation. Let's read this warning, guys.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Let's read these warnings. Law enforcement confirm a tornado here. It says it's a confirmed
Attention,
tornado.
a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
That's a confirmed tornado, but for some reason I don't really see as much rotation. I mean, I do see some isolated rotation, but according to Lawrence,
Attention, a
I'm
new
gonna mute that for now. But as of now, we do have a confirmed tornado on the ground in central Iowa. Let's go back on the Omaha storm. Actually, a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning for Nebraska City and Sydney. New considerable severe thunderstorm warning. So, considerable severe thunderstorm warning could be 70 miles an hour winds or up to 2-inch size hail. So, yeah, guys, according to radar, this has almost about 2-inch size hail on it, which could be very dangerous. So, I would get inside if you live in Nebraska City, Sydney, and Riverton. Take shelter if you live anywhere in these areas. There is a 10% significant chance of tornadoes today. It's going to be a pretty interesting night, as you can see. The storms are going to start to...
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
The storms in Nebraska are actually, not my bad. The storms in
Attention, a
Kansas.
new radar
Ooh,
indicated tornado warning has been issued.
oh, a new extension. New extension. I believe it's an extension of the tornado warning. I believe it is. Just waiting for that to update.
Attention,
Yep,
a new
alright.
tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Alright, guys, it's really starting to get going. But before I look at that, let's take a look at the storms in the main risk area. This could be a tornadic rotation producing near Junction City. Tornadic rotation might be starting to play a factor there. Let's see the past range. Yeah, this thing could maybe start. Right now, it's very weak rotation. Maybe a tornado warning within the next few minutes, but we're not 100% on that. So let's go back to where we actually do have a tornado warning. As you can see near Nebraska City, near Hamburg, You have an extension to that tornado warning for a little bit of rotation still going on. You gotta watch out for that. Well, I mean, it's a little weaker now than it was earlier, but we still gotta watch out for that. I'm taking a 3D of this storm, see if we could get any rotation and stuff, but trying to find. Yep, the rotation is there. Take shelter me if you live in Sydney and
New
Riverton.
information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Take shelter immediately if you live anywhere within these areas, guys. You don't want to mess with these storms, hey, because the environment's very favorable for today's event, guys. So you do gotta watch out for that. Let's take a storm track on this tornado warning. Alright, let's see where this storm is heading. This storm's heading straight for Riverton within the next 10 minutes, probably, and Essex eventually, and Stanton within the next
Attention, a
hour,
new special
probably.
weather statement has been issued.
We do gotta watch out for these storms because these storms could easily spin up something. I mean, it looks like rotation might have died out a little, which is the good news. We still do have that tornado warning, but even that destructive severe thunderstorm warning. If the storm doesn't produce a tornado that has 1.70 to about 2-inch size hail, if the storm doesn't produce a tornado, it's gonna have that large hail, guys. So you do gotta watch out for this severe weather event. We do gotta watch out, guys, for the possibility of a storm. Let's check up on this confirmed tornado warning up here. I don't really see, surprisingly, I don't really see that much rotation, but weather spotters did
Attention, a new
confirm
severe
this
thunderstorm warning
tornado
has been
earlier. So
issued.
let me go on the old frames. Oh yeah, this was stronger earlier, so it probably weakens, but that's the good news.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Let's take a look at the storms in the main risk area. Isolated rotation here, but slowly strengthening, guys. So in the next few, eventually we could see something up here. Maybe within the next 15 minutes we could see a little bit of something. Just watching out because any of these storms could easily spin up, guys. This is a big risk area for today's stream.
Attention,
Look at
a
the
new
outflow
considerable severe
boundary.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Guys, look at that outflow boundary here. See, look, guys. You guys want to know a fact about the weather? On an outflow boundary like this near Norwich is usually where the storms form. Like right next to an outflow boundary, as you can see, storms are beginning to pop up now, and some are already becoming severe, like near Topeka, which I'm watching out for some rotation up here near Junction City. I'm watching out for that for the next few minutes. Let's go back on this tornado warning, which I do still see rotation, isolated rotation on the storm, so still take shelter if you live within this area. If you guys have questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. We still do have this massive line of
Attention,
thunderstorms.
a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
New severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Yep, I think it's the one maybe out here. Let me check. Nukes near for White City. That's the severe thunderstorm warning. This rotation doesn't look crazy, but there is a chance, maybe, or it could be just strong wind, but a good amount of hail developing near White City, near Woodbine. About 1 inch size hail, so that could be a problem. I'm gonna put a storm track on this isolated rotation just to see where this could be heading in the future. Because these storms are expected to strengthen as the night. These storms are expected to strengthen as the night goes. So we do gotta watch out for that. So the rotation might be strengthening a little, but it's nothing crazy right now.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Watch out if anything down here is rotating so far. Not really. Let's go back on the tornado warning storm. Yeah, rotation kind of died out, honestly, which is the good news on this storm near Nebraska City. So that's good news for that. Let's check up on the confirmed
Attention,
tornado
a
that I
new
didn't see
tornado
yet.
watch has been
Ooh,
issued.
new tornado watch where? Oh, updated. Alright, no longer confirmed tornado. Now it's just a radar indicated one. We do have two tornado warnings on the board, guys, if you guys are wondering. New severe thunderstorm warnings. Oh yeah, that's the watch. Alright, new tornado watch down here for Oklahoma City. I'm gonna read the probs. And they don't show the probs on weather-wise. That might be a problem. As you can see, a little bit of not much rotation. That's why they downgraded it to a radar indicated tornado
Attention,
warning.
a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Still tornado warning in effect, so take shelter. So take shelter if you live anywhere in Hamburg and
Attention, a new
Sydney,
tornado
and
watch has been
obviously
issued.
Riverton. I mean, there could be a chance that this rotation could recycle, so that's why you should stay in your safe spot. Just in case this storm decides to, just in case the storm decides to recycle into more rotation than you are, then you will be prepared, guys. So watch out for that. Yeah, that destructive severe thunderstorm warning is still here. For 2 inch size hail possible near Elk Creek. So far, hail has been the biggest factor in today's event so far, but it's
New
still early in
information,
the
this
event.
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Still very early in the event, guys. You gotta watch out.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
New severe thunderstorm warning near Blue Rapids. Let's take a look on the other radar for that. New severe thunderstorm warning for Frankfurt and Blue Rapids. It's just outside of Blue Rapids. But these are the possible supercells that could possibly start to get going soon. Ooh, that is interesting. Ooh, rotation has tightened up a little near Junction City. Guys, I don't normally call stuff that much, but I'm calling for a possibility of a tornado warning near Junction City soon. Heading for, I can't pronounce it, Oden? Near Oden. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue a tornado warning within the next few minutes, because the storm is really starting to get itself together with the rotation. I would not be surprised to issue a tornado warning down here soon. So let's see how that goes. Check back on Omaha. Look at this big line near Carroll, Lake City.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Ooh, where? New tornadic severe thunderstorm. Yeah, not as much rotation on this tornado warning, which is the good news. It's because these storms are starting to club together to form another line. Because you see, there's a line up here. The good news is, if these storms congeal into more of a line down here, it would actually be good news and a little bit less of a tornado threat. But it's still not even in the main area, just for this area. Yeah, I'm interested in this storm. Yeah, the storm still got rotation. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue there could be possible two areas I'm watching, but I'm watching out for this area for a tornado warning soon, honestly. Honestly feeling it because just looking at radar,
Attention,
there
a
is
new radar
rotation
indicated
on it.
tornado warning has been
There is
issued.
rotation on it. So that's why I think this could be a hold on, new tornado warning. Where's that for? Oh my goodness. I literally just said this area was going to go tornado warn. Chat, didn't I say this area? Just double check. Waiting for it to pop up. Didn't I say this area was going to go tornado warned literally a few minutes ago? There it is, guys. There's a tornado warning for the rotation down here near Odin. So take shelter if you live in Manhattan. Manhattan in Kansas, by the way. Manhattan in Kansas. Take shelter immediately if you live anywhere in these areas. There's no way as soon as they issue the tornado warning, the rotation kind of
New
weakens.
information,
That's kind
this
of
severe
crazy.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
There it is, though, the first tornado warning for almost in the
New
main risk
information, this
area.
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
There it is, guys. Damn,
Attention,
the
a new
bot's going
considerable severe
crazy.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
But there it is, guys. Look at all these severe thunderstorm warnings, though. Pretty crazy. So we have three tornado warnings on the board right now. Check back on Omaha's one. Yeah, I'm not as concerned for this one. Rotation weakened, honestly, very significantly. I wouldn't be surprised if this warning gets canceled very soon.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Wow, look at, oh my goodness, 2-inch size hail. 2-inch size hail. Take shelter of a table rock and out, and then near Dawson eventually, because this storm has a lot of hail, guys. The storm got a lot of hail, guys. So, dude, all of these storms have a lot of hail, to be honest. I'm watching out for, yeah, look, in this tornado warning, there's almost two areas. Guys, there's pretty much almost two areas of rotation within this tornado warning, guys, which is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting scenario. This storm's heading near Manhattan and St. George. Take shelter if you live anywhere in these areas. Yeah, I'm still watching out for that rotation up here near Odin. That is the most concerning part for me, honestly. For that's area modern goals. I'm just seeing not much rotation
Attention, a
near
new severe
Ledmer and
thunderstorm
White
warning has
City,
been issued.
but yeah, new severe thunderstorm warning. It's basically an extension for this entire line forming. I mean, this threat could be a little less if it becomes more of a line threat, but still within the line we could watch it. Let's check out the storms near Wichita. This is the main risk area. You see these popcorn cells, guys? See these storms that kind of look like a popcorn in northern Oklahoma? These are your discrete supercells that you really have to watch out for in your Anthony, in your Buck City. Look how much the storm is strengthening in the no rotation, but look how much these storms are strengthening. Look, guys, these storms are popping up in literally in the middle of nowhere. So that is a concern. So, well, that is interesting. Some rotation looks like it's starting to develop south of the tornado warning. So if this thing gets together, I wouldn't be surprised if they issue another tornado warning down here. But I'm concerned for see look, you see also these three areas of rotation within this single tornado warning box is pretty concerning. So we do gotta take a look at that. But a little bit of rotation
Attention, a
up
new
here.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
So concerned for a little rotation up here. Because the storm is tornado warned, guys. So take shelter if you live in Manhattan and St. George. You know, let's take a look at the storms on the Omaha radar site. Oh yeah, these storms there. Oh, another. Seems like a line's trying to form here. Honestly, pretty interesting, guys. Let's check up on the Des Moines radar site. See what about this tornado warning? Again, not much rotation on this tornado warning.
New
You gotta
information,
watch
this
out
severe
though.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Oh, I called it again. I called it again. A
Attention,
new
a new radar
tornado warning
indicated
down
tornado warning
here.
has been issued.
It seems like, guys, it seems like they're gonna warn multiple areas of the line. It seems like what they're trying to do. Because, yep, there's the funnel cloud. Funnel cloud reported up here. As you see, that's why we do have a little bit of isolated rotation in here. But what prompted them the warning here was, you remember when I said, guys, you guys remember when I said this storm down here on the southern part had some rotation? I think they're going to warn it. So that's what's
Attention,
going
a
on.
new
And
radar
another
indicated
one.
tornado warning has been issued.
Another tornado warning up here. So, yeah, this event's really starting to fire off, guys. I'm going to take a look on the storm up here. Oh, this is in a big radar hole. Yep, there is some rotation, but this is in a big radar hole up here, guys. Northern Iowa. Guys, if you've been following this channel over the years, Northern Iowa has always been so much trouble for getting good radar data. So that is a problem. Where is the close? Yeah, I do see some rotation here though, guys. So take shelter. You don't get good radar data, but take
New
shelter if you live
information,
in
this severe
Lockett and
thunderstorm warning has been
Lanyard.
updated.
Take shelter. My bad. Take shelter if you live anywhere in those areas. Yeah, this tornado warning is probably gonna get canceled soon. I mean, this tornado warning still has kind of some rotation on it, so that, I mean, it is a little bit of a concern, so you gotta watch out for that, chat. But
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
alright, guys. Yeah, these storms are, yeah, 1 inch size hail. Yeah, these storms are still producing a lot of hail. More of a line. Like, this is almost turning into a big line now, guys. What the frick? The tornado warning for northern. Yeah, that is, yeah, they gotta cancel this box soon. New updated
New
tornado
information,
warning.
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yep, dude, I was calling something as a National Weather Service warning too. Like earlier, I said these storms are rotating. Like earlier, yeah, rotation still prominent on this storm. Take shelter if you live in Furland. Take shelter if you live anywhere in those areas, guys. The main event is starting a fire off, guys. So we really do have to watch out for these storms. Tornado warning has been allowed to be canceled in central Iowa. This tornado warning is probably
New
gonna get
information,
canceled
this
soon.
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Yeah, this I don't see much rotation on this storm, so it's probably gonna get canceled. The tornado warning, Sydney. Still take shelter though if you live in Riverton, because this warning is still in effect for you guys. Kind of a Storms are kind of approaching a radar hole soon, so that might be a little bit of a problem. But we'll see how it goes. One-inch size hail on these storms. I'm checking my Twitter, guys.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Yeah, this is a very interesting event so far. But as you can see near Riverton, still gotta watch out. I'm gonna check up on these storms. Down here, no confirmed tornado warning, which is good
Attention,
as of
a new
now.
tornadic
But that,
considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
oh yeah, good news. Rotation is starting a weaken a little on these storms, which is the good news. As you see, the Manhattan, you gotta watch out for these storms.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Guys, I think I'm gonna. Thank you. Thank you. How are you? I mean, yeah, rotation kind of died out on these storms, on this specific storm. But honestly, guys, I'm probably gonna end the stream soon. I'll be on a little longer. As you can see, though, I'm still watching out for this rotation, so we do gotta watch out for that, honestly. You should do 3D, guys. Let's try it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's take a look. Take a look at Omaha. Yeah, this tornado warning is probably gonna get canceled literally any minute. Because I don't really see any more rotation. Now it's more of a damaging wind line threat. You gotta watch out for that. But Blaze, how have you been? Good? I was saying some warnings before they even happened, actually.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Like I was saying these storms south of Manhattan here, they were rotating. So like I was basically saying how like when the storms were here, I was saying like they should have tornado warned this. Thank you. And then they issued the tornado warning after. And then I was saying how they could be another area of
Attention, a new
rotation
severe
down here.
thunderstorm warning has
And
been
then they
issued.
ended up issuing that other warning. So far I'm doing decent tonight. Wait, damn, look at all these severe thunderstorm warnings that are getting issued, guys. Actually, I'm gonna take a look at dude, the storm in northern Iowa, guys, is in such a radar hole right now. It's hard to even get data on this thing. They need to build a radar site in like Mason City. Dude, on Monday they're showing like so much already an enhanced risk on day 5. That's crazy. Blaze, you could join my stream if you're available. Do you agree they should build a radar site near Mason City, northern Iowa? Because that's such a radar hole up here. Yeah, they're probably gonna cancel this tornado one. I don't really see as much rotation. Yeah, that's one of the worst radar holes I've seen. I can't even see any data, honestly. That's why I'm going to these storms down here. Busy tonight, but this weekend, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna be live. Alright, that's fine. I'm gonna be live probably Saturday. I won't be live tomorrow. Most likely. Uh, ooh, they actually extended this tornado warning. Alright, yeah, yeah. Rotation kind of recycled back on this thing, honestly. Look how high these echo tops go, too. So we do have another extension to the tornado warning. So take charge of an Essex and Brigham. Dude, I can't
Attention, a
pronounce
new
none of these names.
radar-indicated tornado warning has been issued.
As you can see, though, I'm still concerned for just some rotation on the storm.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Look at this line in central Iowa. Take a look at these two tornado warnings down here. Yeah, I'm not seeing as much rotation as I was earlier on these storms, so that's a good news. As of now, I mean a little bit of rotation, but it's nothing crazy. It kind of died out, honestly, which is the good news. Still remain in your safe spots if you live in St. George, though. It's a good environment, so these things could wrap up pretty fast. Give me 2 minutes, guys.
Attention, a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Guys, I think I'm going to end the stream now. Have a great